Hi everyone, today we're taking a look at VEVOR's curb ramp. Comes with a nice little manual and bolts to keep it down in place. It is very heavy duty, very thick rubber. It might take two people to carry it. For me, it wasn't a problem, but it is pretty heavy and solid. For me, I'm always using a dolly, lifting very heavy things into the back of our house. And we have a very big lip from our back door to the wood deck. And as you can see here, this lifts it up enough that we can actually lift the wheel up and make it not as hard. So if you guys are using this for the road, or if you're using this for a pavement area, stone area, grass area, your deck area, your front porch, your back porch, your front door, your back door, your garage, your shed, this works all different areas and it's solid. I mean, even without the bolts in, this thing is solid. It can handle a lot of weight and overall it's very nice. I love it. I think you guys will love it too.